I'm going to teach you how to edit your listings on Facebook Marketplace. This step-by-step guide will help ensure that your items are presented just the way you want, increasing the likelihood of catching buyers' interest. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Facebook Marketplace. If you're unfamiliar, this is a section within Facebook where you can buy and sell products with other users. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand sidebar for an option that says Your Listings. Clicking on this will present you with a list of all the items you've put up for sale. These listings are essentially your storefront, so it's important to manage them well. Next, scroll through your listings to identify the one you want to edit. Perhaps you're adjusting the price, adding more detail to the description, or uploading clearer photos. Once you found the listing that needs modifying, hover over it and you'll see a small menu symbolized by 3 dots. This is known as the More Options menu. Click on it and from the drop-down, select Edit Listing. This option allows you to make the necessary changes without creating an entirely new listing. Now you're in the editing phase. Here's where you get to make modifications to critical elements of your listing. You can change the title, which should succinctly describe your item. Update the price if needed. Maybe you've noticed similar items being priced differently and you want to remain competitive. The description is where you can add important details about your item, making sure it's clear and accurate, since this can greatly affect a buyer's decision. You can also update your photos here. Remember, high-quality images can make all the difference in attracting potential buyers. Additionally, double-check that your item is in the correct category, as this ensures that it reaches the right audience. Lastly, be sure to review your location and delivery options. This is crucial for local pickups or if you offer shipping, as it sets clear expectations for both parties. After you've made the changes you want, you'll have the option to click Save or Publish. If you're ready for your edits to go live, hitting one of these will apply the changes to your listing. Remember, while saving updates your listing, publishing might make your listing more prominently featured depending on Facebook's algorithms. It's like putting it back on the shelf, fresh and updated for more viewers to see. And there you have it. You've successfully edited a listing on Facebook Marketplace. A few simple steps can make a significant difference in how your items perform. Whether you're tidying up your inventory or responding to feedback from buyers, these adjustments can help you maintain an engaging, eye-catching presence on the platform. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.